so deep. If you got the cojones to come do what we just did, you're more than welcome to. The fountain is this way. Follow me to the fountain. Or as they say in Canada, the fountain. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, it's been a couple of months since I've been to the fountain. Because we gotta go that way. Looks shallow enough. Oh! 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 We can't go the normal way. Over there. That right there is deep, baby, deep. Here, hold my beer.
Yeah.
And there's a ridge. You have to ride the ridge. Well, one thing's for sure. When you haven't been to the fountain in a long time and you want to go, you're going to have to earn it. Now we have to see if we can cross the big river over there. All the stuff we crossed before was Little River and, you know, little stuff. This, oh, really? Oh, that's not so bad. Just go, gotta go around. Oh. Yeah, he's laughing at me. I went the wrong way. I'm on the wrong side of the river. Now here is the big river. Oh, floating. Oh, now the other boot's wet. So, okay. Oh, I love it. Fountain middle-aged people. Got to go out and around and come up and over and then through.
Up and over.
No, over there.
Yep.
Or that way, whatever. Oh, well, okay, that's not so bad. Absolutely majestic. Beautiful. So what we're doing here is we're treading lightly through this creek. This creek is not named. All right, Broknex, here you go. In the comments below, this unnamed creek that leads us to the majestic fountain of middle age, what should we call this? So go ahead, put your comments down below and tell me what you think we should name this amazing creek.
Not today on this.
No, we've been swimming enough. Okay.
All right, Broknex, we made it to the fountain. Is this Old Grizzly's first time to the fountain in 2017?
Yes, it is. Happy traditional Memorial Days. That's all I gotta say. It's great to be back out here.
And here's another tidbit. Today, of all days, is Old Grizzly's birthday.
Not that big a deal. I have one every year. Every year I've had one. You might have too, except for that one year.
I go every other year.
Good.
I'm only 22.
Nice. You look like shit for 22. You look like Beaver for 22.
Yeah, sorry. Remember that in YouTube world. No cussing. If you want your videos to be monetized, no cussing. Replace every cuss word with the word beaver. You'll be okay.
Hey, thank you, Oscar Blues Brewery. Please be our sponsor. Check us out on YouTube. We love you guys. Keep up the good work.
Oh, so we need another shout out.
To whom?
All the Napa DC people in Anchorage who aren't here this weekend for our amazing, gigantic sale. Like,
it's gonna be awesome.
Yep.
And
best sale ever.
You guys missed it because Heidi was busy and Ricardo had to work and on and on. Well, you know the story.
Happy Ride Day at Napa Anchorage Distribution Center.
All right, Broknex, we have done the fountain. Had a little break here in the sunshine where it's nice and warm. It was cold back in that valley. And now we're going to head on to the tee. And I guess I'm taking the lead. I don't know why I get to go sideways in the water, because damn. All right. Get towards the deep creek up here. Having to cross this again. I think we'll approach it just a little bit differently. This is a spot where we almost didn't make it. So, don't let up, 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 don't let up. All right, I made it. It didn't work. I was wet regardless of what happened.
Well, we're on the other side.
That was
the important part.
That was deep, man.
That was deep. Nice job.
Yeah.
Well done.
Nobody got towed home this side. But once again, the Yamaha Grizzly was used to rescue somebody. And like I said before, you know, anyone can do this crap in a Can-Am, but a real rider could do it on a 350. You want to know you're riding metal? Oh my goodness. That's not happening. We need to find another way. I suppose that's the other thing riding a 350 does, is make you ride a little smarter. Okay, I guess it's there. Holy cow. Oh, dang it. Dang it, Bobby. My boots are full. I got full boots. All right, Broknex, we made it to the tee. This is the tee after this creek. And so I will be signing off. I'd like to thank everybody for liking, especially for subscribing, commenting. Please let me know what you think. Also, let me know what you think we should name that creek that heads off to the Fountain of Middle Age. It needs a name. And you know what? Even if the Forest Service says it has a name, we should name it something anyways. Oh! All right. Boys and girls, ladies and gents, YouTube people of all ages, I bid you good night.